कि khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Uba polling do ubade working president jangka United Democratic Party ulayat ho baka state election committee kala ban Pynbna no ika Kyrtong jong Kyrtong wan Pynyakhon ka election lok sabha ka ban salong house nam ban sawan. Yakani uba polling do la pentep ha kejengkran bakila pathai kubor ha shitare kuno pra araja arpulai but ongru baka state election committee jangka party kadang shong bishar ki Kyrtong shwa ban Pynbna pa hadin ka to ka ni Taïew.
Process of identifying our candidate, and the process should be through in the next 1 month or even less than that. Yeah, we are going on in full swing. The state election committee has already met a couple of times, and we should be in a position to have at least the preliminary list of candidates ready by January end. Well, he is one of the individuals who have expressed interest in contesting. As we speak, there are about 3 or 4 contenders. I think it should be ready in a couple of weeks from today.